Hola, como estas? Today I will be making a review about this fucking clock because I have nothing better else to do with my life. This clock is called the Sonic Bomb, and it's a pretty loud clock. It wakes me up fairly, and has a vibrator. So I'll be demonstrating that and how it goes off. Let me just turn it on, and I set it to 9/11 because you know what? That only makes sense, bomb 9/11. If that's offensive to you, you can get the fuck out. Also, this. Yeah, instant noodle soup. So, yeah, go fuck yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna just set the clock further so we can just get this over with. Let's see how this works. Okay. Time. Minute. Alright. Should only take us a minute. Alrighty. Yeah. Alright, so it should be going off any minute now. Just give it a couple minutes. Alright, and you can also set the volume of the alarm clock, make it high pitch or deep. So, yeah, pretty much. Just give it a second there. Alright, that's pretty much what it sounds like. You could turn it off and you could just use it as a vibrator for your pussy. You just, put in your pussy and this. Yeah, feels great. Yeah, this thing is pretty strong too. It's like yeah, so it's pretty strong. If you want to use this as your, personal toy and to wake you up in the morning, go for it. Have a nice day. Go fuck yourself. Yeah, and instant noodle, motherfucker. Hola, como estas? Today I will be making a review about this fucking clock because I have nothing better else to do with my life. This clock is called the Sonic Bomb,